Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about swing trading stocks. Not only swing trading, but how can you grow an account fast? We're going to be talking about some tips and tricks and kind of my thought process about that statement of growing an account fast. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this, and if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out our school. It's absolutely fantastic. It's the Swing Trading Masterclass. It's an 8-week course where you guys can learn how to trade stocks. We have private live streams, we have a group chat, we have quizzes, lectures. If you want to take trading serious, check out the Swing Trading Masterclass. You won't regret it. And you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So check it out right now. I'll see you guys in there. Click that link, code YouTube, 20% off. Sign up. I'll see you guys in there. But guys, let's jump into this. So when it comes with trading and swing trading, and everybody has this approach of, okay, I gotta turn $100 into $1,000 this month. Everybody has that thought. Everybody, no matter what. And the thing is if you're thinking that, how can I grow, an account with $100 to $1,000 or $500 to $5,000, whatever it may be? I'm sorry, but you're already setting yourself up for failure. What a new trader needs to focus on is education and base hits. Education. Personally, I consider myself a student to the market. And why? Is because the stock market always changes and you need to change your approach so you always have an edge. The second thing, base hits. Those 1, 2, 3% returns that may not seem like a massive amount of money, especially starting out with $500 or $100. Those returns compounded over a year, over 2 years, will add up to a bunch of money. So you need to focus on not trying to have these crazy returns, but more just, okay, I have to be consistent. Consistently making money is better than, trying to just grow an account super fast. So let me talk about a stock here that we're in on, and we're actually up a little over $200. This is our trading journal, and this is what you actually will get when you guys sign up in the course. And right now you guys can see our profit and loss on Nvidia here is about $209. Right? So the thought process on this stock was this: using sell-off to our advantage. When it comes with trading and swing trading in the market, you need to have some sort of approach. You need to have an edge. So for me, I love using indicators and moving average lines and trend lines to determine if I should buy this position. So as of right now, one of the main reasons why we picked up some shares is just using straight sell off, right? You guys can see the stock is sold off from 140 all the way to about $100. That's a sell off of 25%, which might not seem like much, but for a massive trillion dollar company like Nvidia, that is a lot of money. And the thing is as we look at it here, the average analyst price target is about $156, with the average analyst giving it a buy rating. And we don't always listen to them, but it's important to listen to them. The next thing here that is important here is with Nvidia, looking at something called the RSI. The RSI is the relative strength index. It pretty much tracks momentum. And as of right now, it's trading for about a 30 or about a 35, 34 in that range. The last time it was trading for that was back in here, where the stock went from 104 to 130. Previous to that, it was right here at 77 to 140. Previous to that was back in here from 40 to 50. So looking back at the last time the stock was trading for 35, always and historically represented an undervalued point to buy the stock. The next thing is seeing if there's any trend lines or any other support. So looking at Nvidia here, what you guys can do is just start drawing out some trend lines. See if there's any trends that are in your favor. And what we want to see here, if there's a minimum of about 3 touches. So you guys can see 1, 2, 3, hits it. So we could see this nice flag forming very, very soon. So I'm excited for Nvidia. Hopefully we can get some buying pressure. It just has that nice support right there, right in that range. And I think that's a very, very important thing. Another thing here is we can actually delete this trend line, and let's pull up some moving average lines. Moving average lines, you guys can see historically when the stock falls below the blue line, which is the 90-day moving average line, it historically represents an undervalued point to buy it. Imagine buying NVIDIA from $20 to $10, undervalued point. Previous to that, at $3, undervalued point. So looking back, you always need to find indicators that meet the stock, because some indicators may be a little different than others. And the great thing that I do like about this stock in general is, as of right now, this position, I am very confident. And if it does sell off, I can average in. I feel confident holding this for a while, whether it's a couple of months, whether it's a year, whatever it may be. I'm just very confident in this position. You know, another stock here that I actually really liked here was Sound AI. You know, looking at this, we actually did pick up a small amount of money with this with our smaller account. And the thing is you guys can see it's breaking out. It's actually breaking out of this general trend. And you guys can see a good entry at about 450. The stock's at 157. So we're already up a little bit on that, but nothing significant. But like I said, the biggest thing when it comes with swing trading is just those base hits, those 1, 2, 3% returns. So me being up, I'm very confident in this. And you might be saying, Carter, why did I buy it? Well, heavy support here on the 200-day moving average line. Boom, boom, boom. So guys, that is it. If you guys want to learn how to find these plays, check out our school. You won't regret it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and code YouTube, 20% off. I'll see you guys in there. Take care.